every bundle you will purchase, you will get this kind of combo M2 double XL. So bundle to bundle purchasing if you want to do for your shop or your boutique, then DK Textile is the nice place for you. The two-piece variety, you can look, this is the kurti in this, in which the neck you will get this kind of tabla work with this kind of beautiful thread work and having a beautiful sequence work also. Welcome to DK Textile. So as per new variety collection, DK Textile has launched again a very new variety in this kind of vertical fabric. So what kind of variety is this? So this is a two-piece variety. You can look, this is the kurti in this, in which the neck you will get this kind of tabla work with this kind of beautiful thread work and having a beautiful sequence work also. And this is available in full sleeve. In sleeve you will also get this kind of balloon design, and available in whole interlock stitching. Look at the stitching, my friend, and available in original vertical silk fabric. So there is a 150% guarantee of color and no shrinkage problem and no color fading. And you can look how beautiful this piece is. I have put my hand inside and you can see how darker and thicker this fabric is. And in bottom of this kurti you will get this kind of beautiful border with simple and sober look. So this whole kurti look a very trending and elegant as you put in your counter, and the rate is only 380 rupees. Yeah, you have heard it right. Minimum order is 10,000. If you want to purchase this kind of variety in wholesale and many more variety, then DK Textile will be the best wholesale price for you. Because look at the pant variety, my friend. In pant also the length is very proper. You can see that the length is very bigger in size. Available in 4 sizes, M2 double XL combo. Every bundle you will purchase, you will get this kind of combo M2 double XL. So bundle to bundle purchasing if you want to do for your shop or your boutique, then DK Textile is the nice place for you. Look at this trending two elephant design. This kind of beautiful and a very unique pattern are available on this variety. And for order, our number is given on the screen. You can connect with us. If you have a shop or if you have boutique, then DK Textile will get you this kind of many more variety. We have more than 100 plus variety in this single vertical fabric. We have cotton fabric also, gaji silk also. I will show you one another variety. Look at this. This is also a very trending and beautiful variety. This is also in vertical silk, and look at the beautiful designs and work available on this kind of pieces. If you put this kind of variety, then your customer become your publicity agent, because your customer will advertise on your behalf, like that salesman will sell this kind of variety. So this kind of variety will be the top selling variety. So if you want to purchase this kind of variety in wholesale, then connect with DK Textile. Our number is given on the screen. You can visit also. Our shop is located at only 1 kilometer distance from the Surat railway station. Look at the beautiful color and design. You can see there are wine color also, yellow color, black color, and this kind of color, and this navy blue color and rama color. So if you also, and one color I have put it there, this is the onion color. So you can get more than 10 colors in sample, but available in 15 plus designs and color. So you also want to join with us and start your business, and you are also doing business, then DK Textile will be the best wholesale place for you, because we give this kind of variety which is trending in all 12 season. Yes, my friend, we generally believe that your variety will not only sell in seasonable, but in regular 12-month season you will sell this kind of variety, because the look and charm of this variety is very great. So connect with our salesman, connect with DK Textile to get a benefit of varieties around 100 plus variety. We have range, and more than 1500 colors are available on DK Textile. We have different variety. Starting range is only 90. So you can connect with us and sell in all kind of variety and price range. So look at these beautiful varieties which DK Textile is giving you. Look at this beautiful black color, and in the black color also you will get this kind of beautiful lady design. This is the top trending design right now. This is the lady design, and look at the work and the thread inside it, and this kind of pant you will get. So you also want to purchase, then DK Textile, join with our community. At its link is also given in the description. Minimum order is 10,000, and if some of my friends are watching outside from India, then don't worry, we will deliver all over world. Yes, my friend, you have heard it right, we deliver all over world, and in India we give COD also. For COD the minimum order is 10,000. So if you want to start your business or you are doing a business, then no take any chances for low quality varieties, because DK Textile will give you low range and best variety thing always and anytime. So don't forget to subscribe, so we will give you regular update on this kind. And you can see in my behind there are lots of many more variety. If you want to see this kind of varieties also, then connect with DK Textile and subscribe our channel, so you will get regular updates on many more wholesale varieties.